Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a butter chicken recipe. The ingredients are down below, or I'll put them on the screen for you. This recipe I'm making for 2 people only. So for this recipe you'll need 1/4 cup of cream, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/2 pound of chicken, 1/4 teaspoon of tomato puree, and 2 tablespoons of national butter chicken masala. If you're using another company, then just make sure the ingredients are the same, because sometimes they can be a little bit different. So start off by adding the butter into the pot, and then add your chicken and your ginger garlic paste. Just mix everything together. Let all the water evaporate. After that, you're going to be adding in your 1/4 teaspoon of tomato puree or your tomato paste, and then give it a little mix. After that, add in your national masala or any other packet of masala that you're going to be using, and just mix thoroughly until everything is braised and the masala is not raw. Go ahead and add in your milk. Over here I'm using full fat milk. Let everything simmer for a little while, for a minute or 2, and then after that you can go and add in your double cream. I'm using the normal Elmia double cream. Give it a good mix until everything is combined, and then let it simmer until your desired consistency. So if you like a thicker gravy, then just keep letting it simmer, and if you like it thinner, you can go ahead and add in a little bit more milk or double cream. You can serve this dish with roti or naan. Anyway, I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.